Hi, this is Michelle from Woolly Rhino Crafts with a video about duplicate stitch. The hat involved is the Silly Goose hat, an exclusive pattern for Ko-fi subscribers. Find the link below. Right now, these geese look like white blobs. Soon they're going to be geese, though, trust me. Or maybe white ducks. I don't know anything about waterfowl. To get started, you want a length of your chosen color threaded through your yarn needle, and then you're going to insert the needle in the bottom of the first V that needs to be this alternate color. And there, you can see it. I was out of the frame. I'm so sorry. Leave a tail of a few inches in the back so you can weave it in later, and then insert in the top arm of the V and through the other arm, then back down through the bottom of the V where you started and through the bottom of the next V. You're just working a bunch of V's. You're covering up those original knit stitches. I worked them in white so they'd be easy to see instead of trying to find them on the black. And I work from right to left, then left to right, going from the bottom to the top. We're going to work these sections of duplicate stitch and then break off the yarn. This hat has a lot of tails to weave in at the end, and the inside of the hat is pretty hideous. Now I'm coming back up, I'm going left to right, working the V's in the same way. And there we go. And here is the back with the tails, along with the white tail where I started the color work. Those are finished feet. Here's another set of feet, sped up a little bit to save some time. You want your duplicate stitches to have about the same tension of the original knit stitches that you're working over. And again, leave a little tail. Now let's do a bill so that it looks more bird-like rather than white blob-like. And you just do the same thing. Insert first in the bottom of the V of the rightmost knit stitch. And through the arms, back through the bottom, and through the next V bottom. And make sure you've got your tail in the back and check on your tension. I pretty much check the tension a little bit of each stitch. This does take a little bit of practice, but it's not hard at all. It is a great way to fix small mistakes in color work or add a third color rather than carrying, two unused colors behind whatever color you're using. Especially if the third color is only used in certain rows. You definitely don't want to be carrying that for these huge sections. And then we do the top middle, and we've got a bill. And it looks like a goose. Here's another bill, real quick. And look at all these geese. Here's the geese again, a little slower. And the inside is so many tails. So many. Took forever to weave in. Finished hat! Follow for more slightly unhinged knit and crochet videos and check the links in the description. Thanks, bye!